Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world. From the way we live to the way we work, AI is making a significant impact. It's not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force that's here to stay. Imagine a world where machines can learn, adapt, and make decisions. That's the power of AI. It's making things easier and creating new opportunities, whether it's automating mundane tasks or providing insights that were previously unimaginable. AI is revolutionizing various sectors. In our homes, AI-driven smart devices are making life more convenient and efficient. From smart thermostats to intelligent lighting systems, the possibilities are endless. AI can help you earn more money too. Let's see how. In the financial sector, AI algorithms are being used to predict market trends and make investment decisions. This technology can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that can lead to better financial outcomes. Imagine having a personal financial advisor that's always learning and improving. AI is like having a smart assistant. It can manage your schedule, remind you of important tasks, and even help you communicate more effectively. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are just the beginning. These tools are becoming more sophisticated, offering personalized experiences that cater to your unique needs. It can learn from information and make decisions. AI systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This capability is being used in various fields, from healthcare to marketing, to make more informed decisions. For instance, in healthcare, AI can analyze medical records to predict patient outcomes and suggest treatment plans. This technology is becoming more common in everyday life. From facial recognition in retail stores to personalized recommendations on streaming services, AI is everywhere. It's seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. The convenience and efficiency it brings are unparalleled. Think of AI as a powerful tool. Just like any other tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. In the hands of skilled professionals, AI can unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. In workshops and creative spaces, AI tools are being used to design, prototype, and even manufacture products with unprecedented precision. Like any tool, it can be used in many ways. AI's versatility is one of its greatest strengths. It can be applied in various industries, from agriculture to entertainment, to solve complex problems and create new opportunities. In agriculture, AI is being used to monitor crop health and optimize yields. In entertainment, it's being used to create more immersive and personalized experiences. AI can help you work smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks and providing valuable insights, AI allows you to focus on what truly matters. In the workplace, AI tools are being used to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle your emails, schedule meetings, and even draft reports. It can help you find new ways to earn money. The possibilities are endless. From creating new business models to identifying untapped markets, AI is opening up new avenues for income generation. Entrepreneurs and businesses are leveraging AI to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a corporate executive, AI can provide the tools you need to succeed. Are you ready to explore the world of AI? Let's dive in. The journey into AI is an exciting one, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, AI will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping our future. So let's embrace this technology and see where it can take us. AI can automate boring tasks. This frees up your time for more important things. Imagine not having to spend hours on paperwork or data entry. AI can handle it for you. This means you can focus on tasks that require creativity and human interaction. For example, AI can write emails, schedule appointments, and manage social media. This can save you hours each week. Think about what you could do with that extra time. You could learn new skills, start a side hustle, or simply relax and recharge. Data is everywhere, but data is only useful if you can understand it. AI can help you analyze large amounts of data and find hidden patterns. This information can help you make better decisions in your personal and professional life. For example, AI can help you track your spending, identify investment opportunities, and even predict customer behavior. This can give you a significant edge in today's data-driven world. By understanding your data, you can make smarter choices that lead to greater financial success. AI-powered tools are becoming increasingly accessible. You can use AI to manage your finances, improve your health, and even learn new languages. There are countless apps and services that use AI to make your life easier and more productive. For example, you can use AI-powered budgeting apps to track your spending and save money. You can use AI-powered language learning apps to become fluent in a new language. The possibilities are truly endless. By embracing AI as your personal assistant, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. Section 5. Turning your skills into AI gold. AI is creating new job opportunities. The landscape of employment is shifting dramatically, with artificial intelligence at the forefront of this transformation. From startups to established corporations, the demand for AI expertise is skyrocketing. If you have skills in areas like programming, data analysis, or AI development, you're in luck. These skills are not just valuable, they are essential in today's tech-driven world. Companies are on the lookout for individuals who can navigate the complexities of AI and bring innovative solutions to the table. You can earn a high income. The financial rewards for AI professionals are substantial. With the right expertise, you can command a salary that reflects the high demand for your skills. This is a field where your knowledge and abilities can translate directly into financial success. The demand for AI professionals is growing rapidly. Conferences and job fairs are bustling with activity as companies compete to attract top talent. The opportunities are vast and varied, spanning multiple industries and sectors. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled individuals who can help them leverage AI. Whether it's improving operational efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, or driving innovation, AI specialists are in high demand. Businesses understand that investing in AI talent is crucial for staying competitive. Even if you don't have a technical background, there's still a place for you in the AI revolution. The field is not limited to coders and data scientists. There are numerous roles that require a blend of business acumen and a basic understanding of AI. You can still benefit from the AI revolution. Online courses and resources are readily available to help you get up to speed. By investing time in learning about AI, you can position yourself as a valuable asset in any organization. Many companies are looking for individuals who can bridge the gap between technology and business. These roles are crucial for translating technical capabilities into strategic advantages. If you can communicate effectively with both technical teams and business stakeholders, you can play a pivotal role in driving AI initiatives. If you can understand AI and its applications, you can be a valuable asset to any organization. The ability to grasp how AI can be applied to solve real-world problems is a highly sought-after skill. Whether it's through formal education or self-study, gaining this knowledge can open doors to exciting career opportunities. The future is bright for those who are willing to embrace AI and its potential. By turning your skills into AI gold, you can not only secure a prosperous career but also contribute to shaping the future of technology and society. Section 6. The rise of AI entrepreneurs. AI is also creating opportunities for entrepreneurs. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force. Entrepreneurs are leveraging AI to create innovative solutions that were once thought impossible. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. You can use AI to develop innovative products and services that solve real-world problems. Imagine creating an AI-driven platform that predicts market trends with high accuracy, or a customer service bot that provides 24/7 support without human intervention. These are just a few examples of how AI can be harnessed to create value. The barriers to entry for starting an AI-powered business are lower than ever before. With the advent of open-source AI tools and affordable cloud computing, even small startups can compete with industry giants. You no longer need a massive budget or a team of experts to get started. All you need is a great idea and the determination to see it through. With the right idea and a bit of hard work, you can turn your AI dreams into a reality. Many successful AI startups began with just a handful of people working out of a garage or a small office. The key is to stay focused, be adaptable, and continuously learn from your experiences. For example, you could create an AI-powered marketing platform, an AI-powered healthcare app, or even an AI-driven financial advisor. Each of these applications has the potential to disrupt traditional industries and offer new, more efficient ways of doing things. The healthcare sector in particular is ripe for innovation, with AI being used to diagnose diseases, personalize treatment plans, and even predict patient outcomes. Or even an AI-powered educational tool. Imagine a personalized learning experience for students where AI adapts the curriculum based on individual strengths and weaknesses. This could revolutionize the education system, making learning more effective and engaging for students of all ages. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Whether it's in healthcare, education, finance, or any other field, AI offers endless opportunities for innovation. The key is to identify a problem that needs solving and then figure out how AI can be used to address it. By embracing your entrepreneurial spirit and leveraging the power of AI, you can create a successful business that makes a real impact. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort, so take that first step, explore the possibilities, and let AI be the catalyst for your entrepreneurial success. Section 7. Real-world success stories with AI. Many individuals and businesses have already achieved financial success using AI. For example, some entrepreneurs have used AI to automate their online businesses, generating significant passive income. Others have developed AI-powered trading algorithms that consistently outperform the market. These success stories demonstrate the real-world potential of AI for income generation. By learning from these pioneers and adapting their strategies, you can increase your own earning potential in the age of AI. Section 8. The future of earning with AI. The future of AI is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more opportunities for income generation. AI will likely play a significant role in the future of work, creating new jobs and transforming existing ones. It's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in AI and to develop skills that will be in high demand. By embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the changing technological landscape, you can position yourself for success in the AI-powered future. Section 9. Embracing the AI revolution. AI is not something to fear. It's a tool that can be used to improve our lives in countless ways. By embracing AI and learning how to use it to our advantage, we can unlock new levels of financial freedom and opportunity. Don't be afraid to experiment with AI, explore its potential, and see how it can help you achieve your financial goals. The future is here and it's powered by AI.